Welcome to a quick overview of our newest plugin, Address Validation. InfoSourcing's Address Validation plugin allows Acumatica customers to cleanse your CRM data, whether it's your customer billing or shipping address, vendor address, leads, or contacts. Get all your addresses cleaned up with simple to use plugin which costs less to clean your addresses. The benefits of having address validation plugin helps e-commerce companies, logistical 3PLs, marketing, and any industry for that matter where you collect customer address information. It's an easy to use plugin and it's provided as an address as a cloud service, right? Let me also talk a little bit about benefits of it. It increases your customer satisfaction, more accurate data, lower your operational cost, your shipping cost, and you will have an increased ROI. Let's take a look at how to deploy address validation plugin in Acumatica instance and how to use it. All right, here is Acumatica instance of version 2019 R2. Go ahead and deploy our customization package. Once you publish the address validation package, you will see a new workspace called Address Validation. Click on the validation setup screen and enable the address validation. Validate your license key. You're good to go and start validating all your addresses. So let's go ahead and click on receivables, customers, and let's bring up a customer here from a sample company. And you'll notice the new verify address button. The verified address button, when clicked on, validates this address in real time. You would be prompted with your current address and the verified address. It will also give you the longitude and the latitude for the geolocation. Every address returns your latitude and longitude values if the address is verified. You also receive validation status as to what was validated, whether the address was validated, and if there was any change in the address itself. Clicking on update will update your address information. Also shows you who verified it, the date it was verified, and also stores the latitude and longitude. Let me choose another address where it's not verified at all. So let's go ahead and click on this. If you notice this address, a good example where we were not able to validate your sub-premise number, which was missing. It matched the street, however it could not match other data. So in this case, even though we got the latitude and longitude for the zip code, but we could not get the valid address. So if it's a invalid address, you will get this reason code or error code which indicates that this address is really not valid. So if I go ahead and update it, it may not update this information. So that's how we can identify bad addresses in our system. Again, this validation works on receivables, customers, it works on your locations, shipping locations. Verify address is there on the shipping address, as well as on the leads and also on the sales order screen. So let me show you a quick click at the sales order screen. If I go down to a sales order here, and Acumatica automatically pulls down the customer and the shipping location. However, if you want to override your shipping addresses for whatever reason, you can click on override address, and we also provided you a verify address button to be able to validate. So before you start to ship out, you want to make sure your shipping addresses is really good. We also have built-in few dashboards, KPIs, which kind of shows you the number of addresses that were validated and number of customers that were actually validated. Clicking on it drills down to generic inquiry, where you can actually see all the customer ID and the date it was validated and verified, and if it is validated, it'll have the checkbox on it next to it, and what was the reason code. So if you want to really quickly look at the reason code, you can click on the side panel and you get to see all the different reason codes as to what each reason codes really matter. Okay, so go back to our dashboard again. So you can create meaningful dashboards, kind of showing you how many addresses were created today and how many of them were validated. And then you can see how addresses are validated over number of days. That's a quick overview of address validation plugin, the newest plugin for Acumatica, available for 2019 R2 and 2020 R1. If this interests you, please reach out to us. Visit our website www.info-sourcing.com. Thank you.